Inside the AK-47 factory, from raw steel to a legendary rifle, full process. The AK-47 is more than just a firearm, it is a symbol of rugged engineering, simplicity and endurance. Designed to function in the harshest conditions on Earth, this legendary rifle has earned its place in history. But how does raw steel transform into one of the most recognizable weapons ever created? Let's step inside an AK-47 factory to explore the journey, the birth of a legend. The story of the AK-47 begins with a simple idea: create a rifle that is reliable, easy to produce, and capable of working in extreme environments, mud, sand, snow, and heat. This philosophy still defines how the rifle is manufactured today. Inside the factory, everything revolves around durability and consistency. Every component is designed to survive stress, rough handling, and time. Raw steel enters the factory. The process starts with raw steel arriving in massive sheets, rods, and blocks. This steel is carefully selected for strength and resilience. Before any shaping begins, the material undergoes inspection to ensure it meets strict standards. Only steel that passes these checks moves forward. Shaping the core components. Large industrial machines shape the steel into the main structural parts of the rifle. Sparks fly as heavy presses, cutters, and forming machines transform solid matter into recognizable components. This stage is loud, intense, and precise. Each piece must match exact design specifications. Unlike luxury firearms that focus on fine detailing, the AK-47 design emphasizes strength and simplicity. This is one of the reasons it can be produced efficiently and function reliably in almost any condition. Heat treatment for strength. Once shaped, the steel components go through heat treatment. Inside powerful furnaces, the metal is heated and cooled in controlled conditions. This process hardens the steel, increasing durability and resistance to wear. It ensures the rifle can handle repeated use without losing structural integrity. This step is critical. It's where raw metal gains the toughness that made the AK-47 famous worldwide. Precision meets simplicity. After heat treatment, parts are refined and aligned to ensure compatibility. While the AK-47 is known for loose tolerances compared to other rifles, every component still must fit correctly. This balance between precision and flexibility is what allows the rifle to keep working even when dirty or damaged. Surface finishing and protection. The metal parts are then treated to protect them from corrosion and rust. Protective coatings are applied, giving the rifle its iconic dark finish. This not only improves appearance but also ensures survival in harsh climates like jungles or deserts and frozen regions. Assembly line, bringing it all together. On the assembly line, individual components come together to form a complete rifle. Skilled workers and automated systems ensure each unit is assembled consistently. This stage represents the transformation from separate metal parts into a functional or recognizable firearm. Despite its simple design, the assembly process follows strict quality protocols. Every rifle must meet the same standards, no matter how many are produced. Quality control and testing. Before leaving the factory, each rifle undergoes inspection. Specialists check alignment, finish, and overall build quality. Only rifles that pass inspection move forward. This step protects the reputation of the AK-47 as a dependable weapon. The final product. At the end of the process, what began as raw steel becomes a legendary rifle known across the world. The AK-47's strength lies not in complexity but in smart engineering, durability, and efficiency. It is this factory process focused on resilience rather than perfection that turned the AK-47 into one of the most iconic and widely recognized rifles in history.